of a wonderful angel therapy course here at Om Karma, and we have these beautiful people sitting here who have had, I guess, a wonderful experience and a very good learning and a skill building as well with the angel cards and the angel oracle board. And I would just like to ask them that how has their experience been, and how do they feel, that what is that bit of a change that they have felt in these 2 days, and which is going to be instrumental in making their lives better and making them more calmer and more peaceful, and also initiating a kind of a bit of a beautiful change in them. So let's see what seeker Nandita has to say about her experience.
I want to learn new ways how I can detoxify myself, how I can cleanse myself, how I can renew myself, and how I can connect with different realms and connect all the dots of everything that I've been doing until now. So that has been a brilliant experience.
Yeah, thank you, Nandita. That was really nice of you. And we come down to Momita, and let's see what Momita how has she felt in this course. Yeah.
All I can say is I truly feel blessed that I came here and I opted to do this course. It was a blissful journey, I must say, and I think this 2 days I'm going to remember for the rest of my life. And thanks to our facilitator and mentor Neera ji, she made the journey so very blissful, and all I'm taking back today is a lot of joy, contentment, and this is definitely, I think, a very important milestone for me. I think personally this is going to help me grow and evolve as a person, and also I think professionally, and a big gratitude to Neera ji for this.
Thank you, dear. Angel blessings to you. And here, Monica, it's been really nice to have you here in this course. Let's see what you have to share.
So I've already been into healings for quite some time, and but for the last 5-7 years I was thinking that maybe I really don't know where to go next. But after doing this healing and after being here for 2 days, I think I've been able to become aware of the importance of the angels. I think a lot of misconceptions were there in my mind, and I think getting connected to them, and even after all the healing sessions, aura cleansing, even knowing the guardian angels, I think it's a beautiful, beautiful feeling. And I think I'm taking back lots and lots, and really thank you to you. I'm sure this journey is going to continue, and I'm not just going to end it over here. And maybe I've become clear about even making it as a profession, which I was always afraid of. So looking forward to a new career, a new change in my own life, and thank you so much. I'm really blessed. Thank you.
Thank you so much for those kind words, and I'm sure this profession is such a beautiful, and I think it's all the love, and it's all the connect that we have with each other, and it's really nice to guide people, to help people, and you actually feel that substance, and you actually feel that worth. So it'll be really nice. I think I'll be more than happy if you take this as a profession. Yes, so we have Tashi here, sweet little girl. What have you to say, Tashi?
When I came here, I was very confused and full of thoughts used to just come out and all negative. But after sitting here, experiencing these lovely moments, I feel lighter, I feel better, and some way or the other I feel like those little questions which I had in my mind will be answered. So I'm really grateful to ma'am. I don't know how she identified I need this. But yeah, for some reason from somewhere I think the angels are listening. But yeah, I have got those little leading lines which I can look forward to and delve further. So thank you so much, ma'am, and I think again I'm going to be doing this more often and be around the place. I just love this place.
Thank you, Tashi. And here, Sonika. So Sonika has not been too well in these 2 days, but I feel that that was really, really important for her, because I think she's cleansed herself quite a bit. And I'm expecting that the coming days, 1 or 2 other days, also she will be cleansing herself. So all is well that goes well, Sonika. So come on, please tell, what did you feel like?
Thank you so much, Neera ma'am. Earlier I heard of angels so much and I read it from the books, but I was not able to make it out. When I saw your site and I thought I will learn something, but after joining this, I have learned a lot I think. And there is so much change in my life, and I'm going to change the lives of others also. I hope so. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Meena ji is here, and she has been learning, she has been a seeker, and she's been into, I think, already doing the angel card readings previously, before she came here. So let's see what she has to share with us.
It's quite an enriching experience, and a big gratitude to Neera ji, and it's quite enriching in the sense of opener and enlightenment to body, mind and soul, and quite beneficial experience and eye-opener for me, since I was very curious about angels and whether they exist or not. But Neera ji has opened the eyes, chakra cleansing and third eye opening, everything I experienced so nicely, so beautifully. And she is a path breaker, eye opener and enriching soul path opener, and spiritual healer as well. I experienced quite a lot enlightenment through her works, and this workshop is quite a wonderful one, and hope she brings blessings to many lives, and she is a beautiful guide, beautiful soul mentor, beautiful human being, and my big gratitude to her, and I feel privileged to be here, and big gratitude. That's it.
Oh my God. So what I feel is so flattered, at this moment. But yes, that little inner child of me, inside of me, really feels happy and is in gratitude to all of these beautiful people who have shown so much of love and so much of, kind of praise and such good and kind words. And I feel the Almighty, I feel the grace, I feel the angels there all around. And it's amazing to be blessed, and it's amazing to be under grace. And I am in complete gratitude to the universe and to all